Alright, so we're hopefully gonna take care of this Wi-Fi issue. It's happening with a lot of iPhone 4s, 5s, as well as some iPads. You can see it's completely grayed out. It will not turn on. This happens to be one with a busted LCD. So right now we're going to heat it up from the back side, get it to the point where the temperature will pop up on the screen, shut the phone down, and hopefully we can trick the sensor into thinking it's overheating. Okay, so now we're going to attempt to heat up this iPhone from the back. We're going to come back to it in a few minutes, and hopefully our Wi-Fi issue will be resolved. I like to use a little space heater, and we're going to get that nice and close from the back so we don't ruin your LCD screen, and then we'll check back in about 5-10 minutes. Alright, so it's actually been about 20 minutes. I'm going to remove the heat and just take a look and see how our phone's doing here. It's probably going to be very hot, and as you can see, getting a temperature reading here. Screen's very dim. So now that the device has cooled down, you can see that our Wi-Fi is off, and we can turn it on. And we are going to sign into our guest network. And let's just make sure we can get on the internet. Yahoo, and boom. Now we can't guarantee that this will work for every phone, and we are not to be held personally responsible if you damage your device. And I'm also not sure if this is a temporary fix or a permanent fix, but there you go. Hopefully this trick will work.